Ha kajing persyang ban penroy ya jingtip bayadei bat kasayan bat ban kyntiew ya kajinga shimbenta ka bakambon jo ki samla puli hakalyang kasayan ki bor penyai district ka West Giant Hills hapo kajingalam u deputy commissioner u Abhinav Kumar Singh kala pelat ya ka sienjam initiative kabadan ya kajingo I jingai kabala ai kerteng Tynre waka science kabamot ki Tynre bat kasayan ya kabala pelong haringkat ka jinga truilang bat ka National Institute of Technology Meghalaya hasora. Ya kani ka jinglet pen pau perthei ne exposure visit kabaningkong hapo jong kani ka sienjam la pelong hakashipau trik jiliu hapo ka jingalam jong u Assistant Commissioner u ba F Pasa. Baro kidan hadu lai phongut ki samla puli bat wei unong mi khmat na ki nohikai na ka wei ka school ki basan ran heki. Na pedeng ki school ki balaya shimbenta ki kentup ya ka Government Girls High Secondary School Juwai, Government Boys High Secondary School Juwai, bat kyang nang ba Government High Secondary School Juwai. Ki samla puli ki nyo ya kalat banyamir jingmut pat ki nohikai ni professor kumju ki nongwat benia ni researcher hapo NIT banya shimbenta hai ki jingpen I hapo ki camera class ya ki jingpen bat hapo laboratory bat ya shimbenta hai ki jing a jinghikai. Habakran halor kani ka sienjam u deputy commissioner ula ong bakumba layo I tang khandet e ki samla puli hapo ka district ki jiet ban puli ya ka science lingba ka Tynre wa ka science. Ithumu ban penroy ya ka jingkwa ate bat jingsngo thu shapang ka sayan hapadeng ki samla puli higher secondary da ka ba terwa ya ki lingba ka jinga kendu ka ba bet shakilat ki linti ba kham shalor hak ba ya dei ba ki jingtip halor ka sayan bat halor ki kabu hakalyang ka STEM kata ka ba ya dei bat ka science technology engineering mathematics. Ula benrap ru ba anpa ya ka kenhuan ka batmai ka badan lai phongut ke samla puli sha ka dika exposure trip shisien shitayo. Hadien bala pendap ya ka dika exposure tour na ka benta ki kerdan higher secondary ngin sa penjelan ya ka dika program da ka bakan thup ya ki kena class 9 bat 10 ki badan ha ka kerdan banjiet ya ki judging puli jongki ong deputy commissioner. Ha ka sienjam ka batmu banyarap ya ki noshna bathan kati ki board district ka donru ya ka jingthumun pelong ya ki bakum ki ni sienjam haringkat ka jinga trilang bat ka National Institute of Fashion Technology NIFT Meghalaya ban ajihikai hagi kamshna bathan kati khnang ban kyntiew ya ki sap ki phong jongki bat ban pelong ya ki mar jongki ban khambha kham itanat bat ki bayat yo.
So the district administration West Giant Hills have took this thing very seriously that the intake in the science stream for the state of Meghalaya, particularly in West Giant Hills, has been quite less. We have been seeing most of the intake in arts, followed by commerce and then by science. So in order to give students a scientific exposure, what we did, we tied up with National Institute of Technology Meghalaya, that is situated in Sohra. We have given this name of the project as Tindra Vakas, which means roots with science. It is basically an exposure trip where a group of 30 students each week from senior secondary or higher secondary schools would be visiting the NIT, wherein they would be interacting with the professors, they would be having classroom of demonstrations, there will be laboratory tours, there will be career guidance program for them, just to get that scientific temperament in them to be increased. Like the visit today, it was led by our Assistant Commissioner, Mr. Freddy Pasa, and the trip went well. There were also this time the participating schools were Kyan Nangba Government Higher Secondary School, it was Government Boys Higher Secondary School and Government Girls Higher Secondary School. So 10 students from all the schools. Then it is basically our endeavor to ensure that in the STEM field there is maximum participation by the students, and this exposure trip would keep on continuing on a weekly basis. So in one single week, 30 students on an exposure trip would be moving ahead. Once the saturation for higher secondary schools get up, then we will be shifting towards class 9th and class 10th students who have the option for opting science. So that is what the project is all about. Particular project was based for the students for the science stream. On the similar lines, we are going to go ahead with the artisans and handicrafts people. We already have works with the National Institute of Fashion Technology in Meghalaya, wherein we are working out how the training could be imparted to the people or the beneficiaries, particularly the handicrafts person or the artisans, in order to give them training so their products become more marketable, they become more modernized with yet a traditional touch. So I'll be briefing you up once the entire details get finalized in the near future. Now we have been in touch with few principals who have come forward themselves in order to show their eagerness for such demonstration in the fields of science. So yes, we have shortlisted few, but there's a complete list which we have already with us and to help us shortlist these students in the future. There's no such scheme under which we have incorporated this. This has been done as a tie-up between the NIT and the district administration. There's no financial component which is involved as of now. It is just an exposure trip. There are no such financial, I would say, components. But yes, in future, maybe to buy them out for helping them out for, let's say, in demonstrations, in exhibitions, we might look forward for that. But as of now, the financial implications for the project is almost negligible.